Hi guys, welcome to another video right here on my YouTube channel. It's me and Lisa Nyambura, and yeah, welcome. So today we're just going to do a probably short video to make my own hair. So it's a DIY on how to crochet yeah, this crochet hair. So welcome. I hope it will be useful. I bet it will be useful. Yeah, you'll need this tool. I really don't know what it is called, but this is what you need. I bought it for 80 shillings at Best Lady. Then the next thing is definitely the hair that you're going to install. For me, this is what I'm going for. It is Reggae Locs #1 by Angels. I bought it at a cosmetics shop just around. A packet goes for 500 bob, but I think if you bargain, maybe you can get it for 450 or 400 to 500 bob, I think so. Yeah, so I'm going to install 2 packets of this. I think they'll be enough, or probably even much more. This is the length. It's quite long, so nikiingisha I'll have 2 strands per tuta. First step, you have to get this thing under your tuta, then grab the lock or the braid that you're installing, then lock it up, then pull it under your tuta. Also, when you're doing your hair, if you're going to crochet hair, it's important that you do not tighten the hair ukisuka when you're plaiting or doing the hair. Don't tighten it so much, because it will be painful for you to pull through hair under the matuta or whatever you have on. So yeah, so then I have them. I'm also going to ensure that zinatoshana like that, so that I don't have one being longer than the other one. Then I'll take this tuta, pull it through the lock as I told you before. Yeah, and that's the second one. We're done. So I still have this looking through, peeping, so I'm going to correct that. So it's, I think, that simple. It's not going to be perfect, but yeah, so I'm going to repeat the same thing. Let's do it for one last time, then I'm just going to do it off camera. So this,
put it through under my tuta, then pull it through the hook, lock the hook like that, then pull it under my hair. Then I'm just going to pull one of the 2 strands, level them, ensure they have an equal length, then
pull the hair into the lock. It has to be inside the lock. Okay, if I say lock, it feels like ni mlango. No, this braid, let me call it a braid, so it has to be inside the braid or the hair. So yes, I'm done with the third strand, and that's it. So the rest of the head or the hair I'm going to do off camera, then I'll just give you the final look. This is how it looks. It is not so quick, and it's quick to pull the hair under the tutors, but it's not so easy to pull the hair through the tutor through the braid. I don't know if you understand me. So I'm not done pulling the tutors through the hair huku nyuma, but I'm done. Hizo nitafanya tu as time goes by. Yeah, so this is how it looks. This is its length. Nafika hadi huko. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, thank you for joining me. I hope you'll try it on your own. FYI, this was my first time doing this type of hairstyle, doing single crocheting on my own. It was my first time, so yeah, and I managed. So will you? Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for staying tuned. Subscribe, like, comment, try it, and let me know if you'll try it or if you've tried it before and how it went down for you. Yeah, so see you on my next video. Stay safe, stay home, keep and maintain a social distance. Bye guys.